Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how I transformed this space to this for my baby's 1-year photo shoot. So stick with me, let's get it started. You can get all of this from Walmart. I got the crate and the font from Walmart also, or any craft store around you. Just be sure you have the right dimensions and measurements, okay? But I've linked everything in the description box below. I think this is so important. This is the most important thing you have to get, and I got it from Michael's. You can get them in different colors. You don't have to use this one. The one I'm using is in reclaimed brick, but you can get any one you want. Then the desktop globe, you have books and lantern and other stuff. All these are things that you can just pick anything you want. You don't have to have every one of it. I don't know what this one is called though. So yeah, let's get it started. So you want to cut the board paper into two, one for the floor and one for the wall. You could measure it, but I didn't do that. I just eyeballed it because I am Nigerian. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Yeah, I lost some of the videos from the original photo shoot, so this is just like a recreation of his first photo shoot. At this time, he's already 15 months, so if you good thing is you can use this for any other thing you want. I also used it for like an African Nigerian setting for my son, and it worked. So I just rearranged stuff and just placed them anywhere I wanted. Use this board paper for his cake smash. We used it in color white. Yeah. Start placing, start arranging anywhere you want, anyhow you like it. It's your thing. Now try to shop for the items early enough to allow for disappointments and all of that. In case you don't get it delivered, you want to change something, you have time to do all. Right now, I'm just repositioning. Just do your thing. No one is gonna know. No one is going to know that you did it in your living room or something. It's gonna come out good at the end of the day. Okay? So important for your baby to take a nap before picture time. because you don't want your baby to be like this. You want this. So happy baby, happy pictures. Towards the edge of the crate, just moving forward a bit so he doesn't look like he's slouching. I've attached some pictures. You'll see when he's at the edge, it looks better than when he's like pulled back. I'm going to link his outfits, his shoes, everything that I got and where I got it from Amazon. I'm going to link that in the description box below, so check that out. We tried to wear him a cap and he just did not want it. Okay, so just let them be, let them do their thing. Enjoy this video, smash the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. You see, baby boy was still playing even after the photo shoot, so you could just leave him to play with it. You could roll it up and use it some other time, whatever you want.